Okay.
Fifth level garage. What is that? What? Okay. What's going on? Oh, okay. That's that's one of the tenants that lives here. Okay. Wow. That was something. Check this out. Woo, fifth level.